Hi, my name is Laura Brandt. I'm the project manager for Aurorasaurus, a citizen science project that collects data and maps it in real time to track the location of aurora. If you look at the top left hand of my poster, you'll see a screenshot from our website. Citizen scientists go out into the field, they notice the aurora, they report it via our website, our apps, or on Twitter, and we take that data and put it on a map, comparing it with computer models. We also ask citizen scientists to verify Twitter data, improving our data quality. With all of this wonderful work, we have been able to make a number of discoveries, including probably the most famous, Steve. And if you go down to the bottom left-hand corner of my poster, you'll see a short list of those discoveries and a picture of Steve by one of our citizen scientists, Catalina Pardell. Steve is a subauroral phenomenon. It occurs closer to the equator, and it has a lot of really interesting and unusual properties. It's very exciting, and it's still being studied. In fact, if you look at the bottom of my reference list in the center of the poster, you'll notice a paper by Dr. Michael Hunekul, who is also here today. He delved into the historical record, noticing in the work of Auroral pioneer Carl Sturmer mentions of Steve prior to our 2018 paper, which was very, very exciting to us. So there's a lot of work still to be done and a lot of discoveries still being made. One of the things that I'm working on is evaluating the project. This is very difficult with citizen science because different citizen science projects have different needs, different metrics, different purposes. So I'm applying both qualitative and quantitative data. We applied for quantitative data, the Science Products Inventory for Citizen Science Planning and Evaluation by Andrea Wiggins et al. And I'm in the top right-hand corner of my poster right now. Wiggins breaks things down into two large groups, which each have four subgroups. The first are a set of things that are important to have as a citizen science project. They fall under communication, data, management, and written materials. And the question is, do you have these things? Have you explored these angles? And looking through that is useful not only as an evaluation metric, but as a framework for a citizen science project. The second group are data practices. Your data as a citizen science project should be findable, accessible, interoperable, and reusable, or FAIR for short. We're also applying qualitative metrics to the data, including things like BASIC, which is used by NASA, and that is behaviors, attitudes, skills, interest or engagement, and knowledge. Those look at how well are we doing what we're doing. We are citizen scientist focused, and we posit that citizen science should benefit the citizen scientists. And the way that that works with Aurorasaurus is that when you have an account, you'll receive notifications of when an aurora has been sighted right near you. We also work with organizations like Hearts in the Ice, who are a two-woman team overwintering in Svalbard, Norway, which is just real close to the magnetic North Pole, and a fantastic front row seat for Aurora. They're doing extreme citizen science up there, including for Aurorasaurus and raising awareness of climate change. We are always looking to partner with local enthusiast group down in the bottom right-hand corner of my poster. We have an ambassador group who help to spread the word about Aurorasaurus. And if you're interested in joining that, please let us know. If you're excited about taking part in Aurorasaurus, you can visit aurorasaurus.org. You will soon be able to download our apps again, and you can make reports on Twitter as well. Stay in touch with us on social media. We also have a blog that goes into more detail on a number of the things mentioned here. There's a 10-year retrospective post in the blog that provides a lot more detail. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask or email aurorasaurus.info@gmail.com. Thank you so much for attending my first poster session.